Hello everyone, welcome back to my third video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about transaction. Whenever you see these four features are available, that means you're doing transaction. So the first one is buying or selling. Second one is goods or services. Yeah. And the third one is in term of money, and the fourth one is more than one person. Like transaction will be that time available. Like you can do transaction with, can you do transaction with one person with yourself? Of course no. You need one person or maybe thousands of person to do transaction with him or with her or with everyone, After that, we're going to talk about user of account information. So the first one is, what is owner? Owner is a person who know about profit and lose. So you're an owner of your company. So in your company, you know better than everyone what is lose, what is profit, and what is capital, what is asset, and everything. So that's your, because you're owner, you have to learn them, then make a company for yourself. So that was owner. And the second one is key staff. Key staff are for motivation. Like you're a key staff, you're a person who held the money, who held the owner. And the third one is management. What is management? Management is a person just for decision. So you're a manager. You an owner came to you. What should I do? What should I sell to for my company that became and have more sales? So that's why you came to management, and he will tells you and make a decision. So after that, the fourth one is government. Government, every time they used to take your tax. The fifth one is investor. What is investor? Investor is used for fund of investment. After fifth one, there is a last user of accounting information, which is creditor. The person who give you borrow, that is creditor. So after that, we're going to talk about bookkeeping. What is bookkeeping? What do you think, guys? Everyone know what is book, but there it doesn't mean the book we read. There mean a book of accounting. And what is keeping like remaining or maintaining for yourself, that is keep. And after that, the definition. What is the definition of bookkeeping? The bookkeeping definition is record of transaction in term of money. So after in term of money, in book of accounting, and in systematic way. And what is in systematic way? It's a hard word, but in reality it mean a special way. What is a special way? You know better. Like everything in your special way will be done. So after that, bookkeeping system divided in two parts. So the first one is single entry system. The second one is double entry system. So what is the second entry system? Single entry system, which in this system, the system tells you that there record just one effect on the transaction. So you have to record one of the transaction. Like there maybe in one shop daily, maybe it takes over 40 or maybe 100 of transaction in just single day. So but in this system says get to one transaction and record one transaction, not more. But after years, the people tells this company, the person who make this, and they told him that it's not acceptable, it's old system, and it doesn't give you the complete information, and it is not complete system. So after that, some other system came by the name of double entry system, and in this system it say record all of effect of transaction. Like when in one shop in Delhi it get over 100 transaction, or they did 100 transaction in just single day, record all of them there. So that's why then people say it's acceptable, and it will give you full information, and it is one of the system which is 100% complete. So after that, it's financial statement, and it's also trial balance. So that was our today's lesson. If you have any question, comment below. I will give you the full answer, inshallah. So I hope you enjoy my lesson. Thank you very much. See you on next video.